Nyama na ga nti ekene kwa mono.
Dalu shinne.
We kene kwa se ono again.
Dalu.
Eba wo obodo Obomkpa. Obomkpa. No no Bini means waiting the bed they fine. Say you don't kill him. Okay. Now Ezechime when they hear. Chime come from Ogidi. Oracle. That's why they call this town after any other place, Indian place. We do our culture. We place oracle. We treat people. You understand?
Yes.
But what I had last week, painful me. When on Chibo, one guy was telling how he meet. Other he said that Bomba magnet from Ezechime, magnet from what they call it, Obosi. I was annoyed. I was shedding tears. Chime moved from Ogidi. That's why they call Obomkpa Anabano Ogidi. Anabano Ogidi.
Okay.
Anaba was the first son of Chime. Chime, when he left Ogidi to Benin, he did not marry.
Okay.
When he played oracle to above Benin shout. Others, the way don't come like few days ago before Chime came in. They were looking at him. He said, above Benin, because why? The reason why Oba called them above Benin, it is because when you marry a wife, you only boy, women. They say women cannot rule in Benin. And all the songs we do our festival here, our festival called Eguafa. Eriemi, not be our language. We have a salute there. Oh God, Bafa. But about Lube was when you lunch, or so an merry lunch, and I can buy if you me. Be me. And none of that place you miss here. Because they couldn't them. I work my father. I can't them cause I can see the other.
Okay.
Now, Obaza for see above Benin. Now when you the last one all in me. No okay, coach money. Can they quite no bala? People on Chibu wasn't one hour we see of Ezechime. He said, look, was an hour we see Ezechime. On a child though, on your 1 chamili. Do I cause him one? On a child though, not on chamili. But people call it on chamili now. But on your child though. On a child though, you have on chamili. Yes, what the animal is mine? Ugu no Obomkpa. Ugu no Obomkpa. Or Frank and Jiji Kunde Madi Ketan not here. Or for what will you Ugu no Obomkpa Swan and Swan Benadi was if nobody will pass away there. Baswa, the heart of Oncha, tomorrow. India Kuna, what the Biabeni, what the men can women on. I say. My father wrote the history of this community. That was Ezekachi Chede.
Ezekachi Chede. The former king of this.
No, the third now before the present one.
I can call the former one.
Yes. It's late now. He died 2006.
Okay.
And he ruled. We do our our festival being Eguafa. What we call Eguafa. We turn people to this thing. I will only matter one. Obodo. Eriemi na the language. Even when would they put this cap, there's a song we sing. Oh, one fine abo na abo. Ki wa abo na abo wa. Onye maloge bia le yo geme anya abologe na Benin language because we migrated from there. Some are saying we come from Obosi. We not come from Obosi.
Okay. Okay.
9 times I commit this Ezechime when you know. Obodo tenani we feel Ezechime.
Yeah.
Obomkpa is the head. Obio. Onchubo. Onchado means Onchamili Wabowa. Onchado, but people call them Onchado, Onchamili now. But if where their name, but Onichado of Apple. Then I believe our festival. I know our festival. Yeah, we have a guafa like culture. I mean, I think the greatest.